The 2011 Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, remote engine start, power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, tow hitch, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, floor mats, aluminum wheels, cruise control. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.